My name is Vincent Angelo Hortalisa, and my family usually calls me Vash. And I'm 16 years old, and I'm currently studying in AMA Online Education, and I'm in grade 11 in TVL Strand. My father, Vincent Hortalisa, works as an operation manager, and my mother, Jelly Ann, runs our general trading company. And I have not currently decided on what course to take in college, but I have some options. And my dream job is working on computers. And I'm a member of the Church of Christ, and I don't have particular hobbies or talent in music. And I also don't have any particular favorite in food, snacks, movies, or songs, nor do I have any dislikes. And I don't usually have anything that I like doing outside or inside. Same with, finding something I hate doing outside or inside the house. And the song that I would like to dedicate to my parents is You Raise Me Up. And the best thing that ever happened to me is going abroad and visiting other places. And the worst thing that ever happened to me is falling from a tree. And to pursue my studies and dream life, I will need to be more hardworking and determined. And for my favorite life quotes or Bible verse, I really don't have anything particularly favorite. And if I could also change one aspect of my personality, I would choose to change my nervousness talking to other people. And for strange phobia, I really don't have any of those. And one of my greatest strength is being able to learn, and my greatest weakness is my poor memory. And as of today, I am happy with the person I have become. And for the question of venting my anger, I don't really get mad that much. And for what makes me happy is being able to eat good food. And I really don't have anything that makes me sad. And for my last, before I end the vlog, I as a student and son have to remind myself to always be hardworking and be respectful to others.